How to grow a faceless YouTube channel with AI. Even if you're starting from zero, what if I told you that some YouTube channels are earning thousands, even millions, of dollars? Without showing a face. Without recording their voice. Without hiring an editor. Today, artificial intelligence can help one person do the work of an entire content team. But here's the truth. Most people using AI on YouTube still fail. Not because AI doesn't work, but because they're using it the wrong way. In this video, I'll show you the exact AI-powered workflow to build a successful faceless YouTube channel in 2026. From finding viral topics to publishing videos consistently. Let's beggy why faceless channels are booming. YouTube has changed. Viewers care far more about value than about seeing your face. If your video solves a problem, tells a great story, or teaches something useful, people will watch. Faceless channels are growing in niches like AI tools, personal finance, business history, technology, motivation, career advice, space, health, education. The biggest advantage? You can scale much faster because you're not limited by filming yourself. Step 1. Pick the right niche. The biggest mistake beginners make. They create videos about everything. Successful channels stay focused. Choose a niche that has 3 things. First, high viewer demand. Second, evergreen content. Third, advertiser-friendly topics. Examples include artificial intelligence, personal finance, career growth, business, technology, educational content. If advertisers are willing to pay more for your audience, you'll usually earn more per 1,000 views. Let AI find viral ideas. Never guess what people want. Use AI to generate content ideas. Ask questions like, what are the biggest problems beginners face with AI? What are the fastest growing YouTube topics? What videos could go viral in my niche? Then validate those ideas by checking YouTube trends, search suggestions, and viewer comments. The goal isn't to copy successful videos. It's to understand why they worked and create something even more useful. Step 3. Use AI to write better scripts. Your script is more important than your editing. I can help you create hooks. Write engaging introductions. Explain difficult concepts simply. Generate examples. Improve storytelling. But don't just copy the first draft. Add your own opinions, real experiences, interesting examples. That's what makes your content unique. Remember, AI is your writing assistant, not your replacement. Step 4. Create videos without filming. Now comes the fun part. Turn your script into a video. Use AI voice generation if you don't want to record your own voice. Use copyright-safe visuals, animations, charts, and stock footage. Keep scenes changing every few seconds to maintain viewer attention. Good editing doesn't have to be complicated. It just needs to keep people watching. The longer people watch, the more YouTube recommends your videos. Step 5. Master thumbnails and titles. A great video can fail if nobody clicks it. Your thumbnail and title work as a team. Instead of saying, AI tools explained, try, I replaced Google with AI for 30 days, or 5 AI tools that saved me 20 hours this week, curiosity gets clicks. But never mislead viewers. Your video must deliver on the promise. Trust builds long-term success. Step 6. Upload consistently. You don't need to upload every day. Consistency beats intensity. Aim for 1 or 2 long videos every week. 3 to 5 shorts from each long video. One long video can become multiple pieces of content. This multiplies your chances of reaching new viewers. Remember, every upload teaches YouTube who your audience is. Final advice: here's the biggest lesson. A. I won't make you successful. It will make you faster. Success still depends on choosing valuable topics, creating helpful content, improving every video, and staying consistent. The creators who combine AI with creativity will dominate YouTube over the next decade. So don't wait for the perfect moment. Start learning, start creating, and let AI help you build something incredible. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to Alex AI Profit Lab for more AI tools, YouTube growth strategies, online income ideas, and future technology. Because the creators who master AI today will lead the digital world tomorrow.